I believe all the teachers that who participated for our last capacity development program may remember this that we have decided to hold a debate program with the concept of our most honorable Deputy Director Thero in Southern Province that we have decided to hold a debate competition among the teachers. I think it will be a most fantastic occasion, and our proposed topic was the advantages and the disadvantages of the educational reforms. Timely, I think that will be much important if we can have such sort of a debate among our teachers. There are that so many all teachers, the newly appointed teachers could be seen that in our institutes. Then it will be a fine occasion to show your colors in the debate competition. Then before that I give you that all the rules that we have already arranged the things because of the their term test is drawing near. That's why that we happen to put off the certain plans, and once that we have finished the term test, again that we can reorganize that competition most effectively to hold at the very beginning of the new year. That I hope to hold it the beginning of the new year, because the December is not the time, and that we don't have the ample time to launch such sort of a competition within a short time. The teachers also should have certain period to arrange everything well. Then taking the necessary educational facts and argumentatively that they will have to use them, and therefore that we have facilitated in many ways, and that we know that our all teachers are highly interested to do this sort of things. In our Matra educational zones that we can arrange taking the most capable and volunteers, the voluntarily the teachers that who decide to participate such sort of competition. It will be highly important. In next time that I will give you the certain rules and the things that we have arranged with some of the teachers who are in the quality circle. And then near future means at the very beginning of the next year, 2026, that we hope to launch that debate competition, the advantages and the disadvantages of the educational reforms. That's also in last year still that I remember that we had a certain speech competition with our students. It was highly successful with goal Mathura and the Hambantota district. Therefore that we always hope to work cooperatively with Hambantota and the goal with our ISAs in those districts, and that certain programs that already that we have finished and deliberately thought to hold to show that our talents not only in Mathura, Hambantota and Goal also. Then that's also that I want to remind to our teachers to pay your full attention and take initiatives to hear other rules and the regulation of the competition.